What if your graduation table wasn't just a place to set down plates and cups, but the centerpiece of your celebration? Ever looked at party photos and thought, I wish my table looked that good? Whether you're hosting a backyard bash, a dinner party, or an open house, your table decor can turn your graduation celebration from basic to breathtaking. In today's video, we'll explore graduation table decor ideas that combine style, personality, and budget-friendly brilliance. Get ready to create a table that tells your story and steals the spotlight.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why does your graduation table decor matter? Your table is more than just furniture. It's where guests gather, eat, and celebrate your milestone, so it should make a statement. It creates the visual anchor of your party and sets the tone for the theme and mood. It's often front and center in photos, making it the perfect canvas for creative, meaningful design. It reflects your style and story. Everything from your school colors to your future plans can be highlighted in your table setup. Like this video if you're excited to design a table that's as unforgettable as your big achievement. What color schemes work best for graduation table setups? The right color palette ties your table decor together and makes it feel polished and party-ready. Use your school colors for a personal, spirited touch. Incorporate them into linens, balloons, and tableware. Classic combinations like black and gold or navy and silver offer timeless elegance and work for any style. Bright, bold hues like red, teal, or purple can add energy and reflect your personality or favorite colors. Tell us your graduation colors in the comments. We'd love to see how you're styling your celebration. What kind of table linens and runners elevate a graduation table? Table linens are the foundation of your design. They set the tone for everything layered on top. Use a bold tablecloth in your primary color, and add a contrasting runner for visual depth. Consider fabrics like sequins, satin, or burlap, depending on your theme: glamorous, elegant, or rustic. Coordinate your napkins, placemats, or chair covers to complete the look without overwhelming the space. Check the description for links to our favorite graduation-ready linens and runners. How do you create personalized place settings for guests? Thoughtful place settings make guests feel welcome and add extra polish to your table design. Use name tags in the shape of diplomas, stars, or mortar boards to tie into your graduation theme. Wrap utensils in themed napkins and seal them with a custom sticker or ribbon in your party colors. Place a mini photo or fun fact about the graduate at each setting. It's a great conversation starter. Want more personalized party ideas? Hit subscribe so you never miss a creative celebration tip. What's a fun way to add interactivity to your table decor? Interactive elements keep guests engaged and make your celebration more memorable. Add a words of wisdom jar where guests can leave advice or well wishes for the graduate. Include a small trivia game or quiz about the graduate's school years at each table for guests to fill out. Create a photo challenge using a printed card that suggests different moments or poses to capture during the party. Everything you need to set this up is listed in the description below. What makes a great graduation table centerpiece? A stunning centerpiece draws attention and sets the stage for the entire table setup. Use a stack of books tied with ribbon, topped with a mini graduation cap or floral arrangement. Fill mason jars or vases with confetti, LED lights, or rolled diplomas made of paper and ribbon. Incorporate personal photos or memorabilia that show the graduate's journey from start to finish. Need more centerpiece ideas? Explore our playlist in the description for endless creative options. How can you make your dessert or cake table extra special? The dessert table is a focal point at most graduation parties. Make sure it's styled to impress. Elevate your cake with a decorative stand, and use themed cake toppers like Class of Year or custom name signs. Surround the cake with cupcakes, cookies, or candy jars that match your color palette or include school logos. Use signage like Sweet Success or graduation goals to tie in the celebration theme. Looking for dessert table decor ideas? We've linked similar videos in the description just for you. How do you make your graduation table decor feel personal? Details make all the difference. Your table should tell a story that's uniquely yours. Include photos in frames, or as part of a collage centerpiece showing different school years. Use signage that features your name, graduation year, and future goals or college plans. Add props that reflect your hobbies, major, or interests, like sports gear, instruments, or books. Let us know in the comments. What's one thing you're adding to your table to make it truly yours? So if you started this video thinking, how can I decorate my graduation table to really celebrate the moment? Now you have your answer. From bold color palettes to personalized place settings, interactive centerpieces to sweet table setups, your graduation table can become a reflection of your personality, your journey, and your future. Because the diploma is the milestone, but the table is where the celebration truly happens.